you beautiful crafters, we are back again with another tutorial, and we're going to make this as simple and short and sweet as we possibly can. This is going to be how to split a monogram. So I'm going to insert a picture here of one I did for my sister for the noodle board or stove cover I did for her for Christmas. And this will give you an idea of what a split monogram looks like. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new project. And this is really super simple. We're going to go to text, and my last name is Davis, so we're going to do a D. Alright, and we're going to pick a pretty font, just something that tickles your fancy a little bit. Oh, that would be pretty. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh.
God, please, no! No!
No, thank you. How about this one? It's okay. Old English. That's not too bad. I think I could live with that. Okay. We're going to size this down just a little bit so it fits in the screen properly. And we are going to pick a shape. Going to do a square. We're going to unlock the square. And I'm going to move it into a rectangle. We're going to put it right here in the center of our letter, and I want it to be longer, so there we go. It's not too bad. I think that will work. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We are going to change this black. I'm going to weld these two pieces together. Bada bing, bada boom. We're going to pick another shape. We're going to do a square again. Let's unlock it. Let's resize it. And we're going to make sure that this rectangle is lined center. So there's a little bit of the black rectangle sticking out at the top, a little bit at the bottom, but we're not going to see any on the end. And we're going to drag this just past the end on this side as well. I think I could live with that. And slice. Let's remove the center of all this, and there you go. Quick and simple and easy. Then all you'd have to do, just pick you another square. Make sure it's big enough to cover the black line here and the bottom. And if you need to, send it to the back. You can unlock it, drag it, make sure it's covering, and slice that bad boy again. Get rid of your gray square. And now you have it in two parts, and if you need to widen that gap out just a little bit, well, there it is. And now we can go in, and we're just going to take it back to normal Cricut font. Let's just do this one. And I didn't realize it's going to have a little squirrel in there, but okay. We'll make do with what we got. I'm only picky some of the time. resize your name in there where it fits. It looks so steely. There you go. A split monogram. It's that easy. It's literally that easy. It's so easy. I'll do another one. Let's do an A. Oh, what? It's like Avengers right there. It's like an Avengers A. Okay. You know what? We'll scroll all the way down here and find something else. Oh, that one's pretty. All right. One more time. Shape. We'll just go ahead and drop 2 of these since we used 2 the last time. We'll turn this one black. There it goes. We'll move this one out of the way. Unlock. Where do we want to stick it? Now look. Do this one super skinny. Okay? Who's gonna know? Do it super skinny. Weld that bad boy. Bam. Welded. Alright, unlock this. Let's zoom in because it's super skinny in there. Let's zoom in so we can see it a little better. Oh, that's probably gonna work right there. Scoot. What, wrong one? I sliced. I didn't weld. I sliced it. I didn't weld. Listen. Weld it. That's what I said. Weld it. There we go. Now bring it back in there. Alright. Move it over. It's gonna be difficult. Move this to the back. Send it to the back. Alright. Make it longer, but narrow. Okay. Now, slice it. Okay. And we're gonna move. Let's just hide it over here on the side and just delete these. See? All you have left is this. Bring it back. Back up just a little bit. Bring in another square. And slice it. And it separates them. There you go. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. And have somebody's name in the center. So we'll do Amy. Anybody know an Amy? Let's do it in lower, like some of it in lowercase. See? We can do that. Amy, look how pretty, Amy. Alright, that's it. We hope again that you have enjoyed yourself, you have learned something, that you will come back for our next video. Please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Any questions, concerns, doesn't matter. Just leave us a comment down below. Down below. Oh, somebody told me this one time. I don't know if you guys know this or not. The like button's magic. If you click on it, it supposedly turns blue. What? Who'd have thought? Who'd have thought? Okay. So, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share with your friends. Bring some more people in. I would appreciate it. Anyhow, we hope you enjoyed. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye.